How to read music on the bass clef for piano players. Let's jump right into it. Without this clef, we cannot tell if the line is A or B or C or D. So basically, when the clef is placed on the staff, it now gives the lines and space a name. Alright, so let's move on. When this particular clef, called the bass clef or F clef, is placed on a staff, the first line will be G. So take note, the first line is going to be G because we are using the bass clef. Alright, so as you can see that on the instrument diagram down here, you can see the particular G we're referring to. Alright, so depending on the clef that is used, that will determine the names of every line and every space. So in this case, we have the first line as G. So these 7 letters of the alphabet will be used repeatedly when ascending or descending. For example, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. You keep repeating that forward. And I also advise that you learn how to read these 7 letters backwards. Let's move on. In summary, this means that when you get to G, you will start over again from A. So I'm also going to put an exercise that you can download in the description, so to help you just understand this better and go over it very well. If you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all. Alright, and make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.